Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mario step by step in an easy way. If you want done drawing something that you like, just follow the next steps. And now, let's go. First, we start drawing the nose. The nose is almost like a circle. Then we have to draw in the eyes. The eyes is two circles. This one, and now this. Perfect. Let me add some details like this. That look perfect. Let me color in the eyes. Okay, it's time to the Mario mustache. We start drawing this line and now this like a semicircles. Okay, then the mouth. Drawing like a triangle. This line and these two. Perfect. The eyebrows is like a moon. Okay, let me draw in the Mario face of the head. For the ear, another circle. And drawing this shape like a F. Okay, it's time to the hat, the cap, the Mario cap. Drawing this line like this. Perfect. And now for the top of the cap, you only have to draw in like a oval, to be exactly like this. Watch closely. This area like that, like this, and another one here, and that's it. Now circle here and the letter M, and here guys we have Mario head drawing step by step in an easy way. If you want done drawing something that you like, just write the name below. Actually I'm drawing just Mario characters because I want drawing all the Mario characters in this channel. Let me add some detail for the thumbnail, and that is all.